How to fix Windows Update not working in Windows 10 and Windows 11. In this tutorial, I'll show you two simple methods to get Windows Update working again. First, click the search icon, type Services, and open it. Once the Services window opens, click on any service. Then press the W key on your keyboard to quickly jump to services starting with W. Scroll down and double-click Windows Update. Set the startup type to automatic. If the service isn't running, click Start. Once the service status shows running, click OK. Next, click the search icon again and type Troubleshoot Settings, then open it. Click Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Allow the Windows Update troubleshooter to detect and automatically fix any issues. Follow any on-screen instructions if prompted. Once the troubleshooting process is complete, restart your computer. After your PC restarts, try checking for Windows updates again by going to Settings, Windows Update, and clicking Check for Updates. And that's it. That's how you can fix Windows Update not working on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides.